You'll never see Alex happier than
Oh,
than when he's
I'm just kidding.
opening.
This is a Mexican coconut. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, I was like, dude, what the hell did you get? Guys, I also got a laptop.
Yeah, you did get a laptop, so you got a case for it. It's pretty nice.
This is the best part. This is the important stuff, guys. It looks like the new iPhone. I wanted the new iPhone, guys, but you know, priorities. I need a laptop more. Oh God, yes. Mira. This one. Fuck yeah. Yeah, guys, we already got one light.
We got one line. It's already bright, so you got two more.
So we're gonna install.
So we'll install these today.
That way we can get more content for you.
And then we'll put those in the link in the description. So if you guys want them, you guys will see them. Very nice.
That's badass, dude. Hell yeah. Oh. Woo!
There it is.
Okay, let's get back to business, boys.
We got a lot to do today. Wait, did you fix it? Did you fix it?
No.
Wait, we actually, it actually turns on. It won't turn on all the way?
Huh. I don't know what the hell we did.
Guys, we didn't even get a single light last time.
Look, watch what happens when I touch the ground. Step on the clutch.
It won't crank.
We got lights.
What
What the hell did we do?
I don't know. Last time it wouldn't even start, guys. You saw that.
Safety first nowadays. It can be too. Guys, anti-invasion. You know why? You're gonna need this.
Dude,
This
a
car's
year.
gonna be too sick.
We might catch a case in this car.
What?
And it ain't gonna be the COVID. Because it'd be straight legal. Come on, baby Jesus.
Yeah, this is it.
We're close. We're close.
Hell yeah! I don't know how. There you go.
Built Honda tough.
Yeah. Turn it. The check engine light. Guys, whatever you do, go buy a Honda. It fixes itself, dude.
It really did.
It does. He's like,
We almost didn't have a car that started anymore.
I know.
But like everything, we get through it.
Hey,
We weather the
it's
storm.
like life, bro. Sometimes life hits you hard. Okay, we'll do that next.
Yeah, we gotta fix these wiring, guys. So we're moving today. We're moving. We're making
Come on, guys.
progress.
We are making some good. So these are called strippers. So we'll need some strippers tonight for this job we're doing. I think we should all just, you know, agree to be a little bit more careful. Although it's not gonna be too bad. I mean, it's still a pain in the ass to have to come and fix these. If we're a little bit more cautious, we wouldn't have been going through this right now. There's two yellow wires and they both have a little, you see these stripes? So you don't know which one's which, but you gotta look carefully, and like one yellow one has a little stripe down the middle. So cause I was about to put it on this one, I was like, cause they both kinda are around the same measurement, so I was like, fuck. But this one and this one have the stripe down the middle, so that goes right there. That's one thing you guys gotta check on this one's. There's a little stripe. I don't know if you can zoom into. Can you see that?
It's a green stripe.
It's a little green, bluish, whatever. Y'all can see that right there. Yeah. That's one thing y'all gotta keep an eye out for.
What? Oh my god.
I know, dude.
This man's all dressed up.
Oh yeah. Man. Hey, Coco, come on. Let's go. Go. Go pee.
Go walk yourself.
No, seriously, look. Go. Go.
Where's Waldo?
Go on and come back. Hurry up.
Dude, looks like a polar bear.
Fucking dog's cute, huh?
Yeah.
You better say he is. That's my little sister's dog. And my little sister's out of town.
Hey, man. Damn, you got a whole fit on.
Would you look at that?
Alex really told the dog to go walk himself.
Did he really go?
No, he's right here. Around my neighborhood, the dog would get impounded or stolen. Probably stolen.
Probably stolen.
Yeah.
This fucker has gone back again.
Guys, dogs literally walk themselves there.
Project, but this fucker has like a $5,000 dog. What is it? A French poodle?
French bulldog?
A French bulldog. Yeah.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Hey, there they are.
Yep. Yeah. So the ground, guys, ground is really important. Literally, it's nothing. But look. See that? We got the maze.
Yeah, you got a functioning car now.
Yep, for real. We connected something wrong.
Why?
Watch.
So you're gonna weld it from the outside?
Well, I don't know for the outside or the inside. What do you think?
Probably inside.
You think the inside?
Yeah, if you
The
can.
inside here?
Yeah, if you connect it to this one,
Yeah.
it'll make a stronger support.
True. So all we gotta do is just cover this up.
Yeah.
Because I want sheet metal, a little bit of sheet metal that go from here and it like connects right here, dude.
All right. Well, let's do that.
We'll probably just end up cutting it here then. Okay, let's fucking get it, dude. Fuck that.
We went up a little bit, guys, because it was really a little bit too low.
We're gonna see shit, guys.
Yeah, the bar was at our eyes, so it's still very low though.
Did you have a nice walk? Oh, yeah.
An hour-long walk.
I think he got a dog pregnant.
Okay. Well.
You bad father.
she is.
Really?
Yeah. Perfect. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Same?
Good. Nice.
That's sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good.
That one's gonna come from here all the way here, and then the other one is gonna go on top of that.
On top of that one. Yes, sir.
Fuck yeah.
He gets a roid rage. Test.
So what was our main purpose today?
Purpose today is getting this thing started. We got that windshield.
Dude, it has no check engine light.
It's surprising.
That's weird shit. So what do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, main purpose today, guys, was getting this thing started. But before that, we had to get the wiring done. It miraculously started on its own.
I don't even know what that means.
Then we had to get this wiring done, which Edgar cut, but that fixes our back problem. And then now we have this truss here.
We gotta take that whole 2-point on the back off.
Yeah, this is coming off, but like I said, we were gonna start here, guys, and we got this welded. Look, it's looking like a whole roll cage now.
That and then taking off the flares from the back. Those.
Yeah. So we still have
covering
lots
up.
of that.
Maybe tomorrow we'll go get some more metal or whatever.
Sheet metal.
We're gonna have to cover this up.
But
Let's see if I can have some from work.
We got this done today. After we told you guys we'd get this done, we're gonna start working on the front.
We weren't gonna get it.
Yeah, I did. I didn't think we were gonna get the car started today, honestly. That'll be it for today's video. So I think it came out good.
Well, tomorrow we're gonna fucking do the rest.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a lot tomorrow too.
That'll be a separate video.
Yep.
Working on the front, but this will be together. I want to say like a month.
I think yeah.
Maybe
like
less. We're working on it every day, and it's nicer weather outside. So
nice, and we got lights.
we got lights. We showed you the lights. We got 2 more of those. So we'll be leaving those. It's bright right now, but you can still see the lights, so it's that bright. But yeah, that's it for today, guys.
Right, guys.
But yeah.
Dude, that shit looks dope, though.
Yeah, it's looking dope, guys. So.
And then yep. And then we'll
See you guys here tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
GG's.